What's up, everybody? Welcome to another exciting week of your favorite show, Pree Dis. And this week, we are here in Florida, South Florida, Fort Lauderdale. Of course, my name is Curdy. You've not seen me in a very long while. And guess what? If you're into jerk, if you're into season, the spice and everything, then the next 30 minutes is going to be a buffet of greatness. Pree Dis starts right now. The Pree Dis team was at the 17th staging of the Grace Jamaican Jerk Festival here in South Florida at the Markham Park. And of course, Grace, Pree Dis, food, music, entertainment, and patron, only one thing can happen, and that's greatness. Check this one out.
It's fabulous. From where you get it from again, boy? It's a little jerk chicken delight. The chicken is nice. The vibe is great. I fly all the way to the Bahamas to come to the Jerk Fest. First time. I come to see Freddie McGregor and Marcia Griffin. I enjoy the vibes. I love it.
Kingston Delight restaurant.
How is it so far?
It's bad.
Eating.
Food on point. I got it from Donna's restaurant. I got the oxtail with the festival, the salad, and you know we're Jamaican, so we have to have a little plantain on the side. But the food good. You're missing out if you're not here.
And do you guys see yourself coming back again?
Oh yeah, for sure. Yeah, yeah, first time.
And do you see yourself coming back again next year?
Yeah, we're traveling all the way from Tampa, so yeah. Yep.
It is my first year.
And what are you eating?
Something with conch, some aphrodisiac.
And how is it so far?
I'm ordering a second round right now. So later on will be greater on.
So I wrote this book to let everyone out there, all of you know, every reader, that you are not alone. When you're going through your issues, you're going through your pain and your hurt and your struggles, somebody else has gone through it. And by God's grace, I'm still here. So I share them very personal.
I will share this. I will share this. We share this. Hey! A big sucker. I mean, no. Hey! You bring that one that walk on your son. What do you think? Jamaica. What's it? A land of sweet. When there? See the catch it off. Catch it off. Catch it off. Catch it off. African man. Catch it off. Catch it off. Catch it off. African man. See it now. See it now. See it now. Hey! Hey! I'm in your way.
So we're going to do that. Then we're going to go ahead and do the sauteing of the bell peppers, and then we'll cook off our shrimp, and then we'll start building that jerk cream sauce. Like I said, I just love the fact that we have so many similarities between our cultures. I had the opportunity to visit New Orleans, and I was just blown away by the food and the people. And so music, yes, amongst other things.
I'm always a big believer in not counting calories and instead counting things like sodium grams, counting things like sugar grams. So I told you 1,500 milligrams for sodium, it's 20 grams for sugar. That should be your maximum for the entire day. right? This is very important.
Okay, so you know, Jerk Festival is all about food, it's all about family, it's all about celebrating Jamaican culture, and I am here to kind of spice things up a little bit. When we think about jerk, we think about jerk pork and jerk chicken, and we're leaving out the vegetarians, right? And the fact that we really do need to be eating a little more vegetarian, even if we're not a full-blown vegan or vegetarian. So I did a cooking demonstration doing jerk chickpeas with a gluten-free roti, very well received from the public, and you know, just kind of use the opportunity to dispel a couple of myths. You know, we think that vegetarians don't have enough protein. We think that vegetarians, you know, eat too light, like rabbit food, and it's not tasty. So we kind of just took care of that and spice up things. It was a great presentation. I'm here with my book, Wake Up and Live, and just connecting with people who have been a part of my journey over the last couple of years.
You know, when you have to go in back again and you know, so the palate can just balance up, you know, balance the thing, see? Right. Yo, this is kind of, it look kind of tough. Yeah, well, goodness. Well, yeah, you know, I need to, you know, get a trophy. Hold on a second.
On the big one.
That one, that's it? All right.
So let me get
completely
this.
shocked, but I know so the food it tastes good, so
Baskets,
I'm feeling
other
good.
baskets.
What did you prepare today?
Well,
One.
I prepared like it was smoked turkey, so I tried to do a saute kind of smoked turkey with jerk seasoning
There you go,
and
Flora.
a lot
Yeah,
of
good
Scotch
shot.
bonnet
Is
pepper
that my
because
water?
I like
No, that's
spicy
a,
food.
where's the glass? So is this,
I
where's the
throw
glass?
in a little of the banana,
No, but I use the glass already.
green
Yeah.
banana, so it gave it
No, the glass of wine.
a refreshing taste, and it adds a
probably.
different texture. And then after that, I cooked the
Where is my glass of wine?
sirloin. And it was just,
Lord, have
what did
mercy.
I do with that?
Where?
I just seasoned it well and just fried
And, where
it
the other
and put it
basket?
with some
Looking for the
baked
other
pieces of
basket.
onions.
Both
So
of them?
it
Yeah,
gave
they-
it some more flavor.
I
Passion for food and cooking, how did it develop?
I've always been a foodie. My wife is a very good cook, and in fact, she went to school for catering, and so she cooks a lot. I like to smoke, and I like to barbecue, and I also like to go in the kitchen, but she doesn't like me in her kitchen very often, so I don't get in there very often. But just always enjoyed it. I love watching Top Chef and shows like Chopped, and I mean, we watch one of those just about every night. And we have a very exploratory palates. We like to try new and different things, and honestly, I love Caribbean food.
All right. Eat the party. Ooh, all right, so it's mild beef, spicy beef, and curry chicken, along with some Grace tropical rhythm. We are on there go, Papa Jesus. If we don't never see this in our history yet, no sir. What's all about there going? Let's go. 7, 6, 5, 4, let's go. 3, 2, 1.
He did a good job too. How about this? We have 2 tickets to see.
Today we've launched our brand new Grace Jerk wings. Lovely instant wings. So you just put it in the oven and they're made. Easy to go in a couple of minutes. So it's awesome. You guys need to try it. So we sell Caribbean products, Caribbean food products to the Caribbean people as well as the world. So we're bringing this culture to the South Florida community, to the New York community, to Canada. You know, wherever we go, we bring the Jamaican flag and we wave it very high. And you know, this is just us representing what it is, what's awesome about Jamaica.
Turn up your mouth.
We've been rocking with time, I think it was 2016. I would say 2016, and we did the 411 Pain stage last time. And it was a good experience then, but you know, and growth from then till now, we're on the main stage, so we play with Code Red, so definitely it's a good vibe.
Festival stage is always so awesome. Like, you know, when I was on some fest, it's a bigger stage, the sound is awesome, but then the people are there, they're relaxing, enjoying food and good music. So for me, I felt like I was at home.
This usually attracts a whole lot of people, and this is what I want to cater to touch souls, to teach and educate. I love the communication, because when I hit the stage and I have the live audience, I am rejuvenated.
Jamaican Jerk Festival in Miami, in Fort Lauderdale in Florida. Ding dong with amongst the greats. It's a pleasure. It's an honor to be here. It's a privilege to be here. Big up to my company, big up to my brand Grace, big up to Saturday Agency, big up to Ramesh Entertainment, big up to Ribbiz Clavers. It's a wonderful feeling right now in anyone's career to be even booked for this event, to meet in the greats backstage, to call up young and old on stage to dance and enjoy themselves. Media outlets, photographers, everybody had fun.
You know, sing music, play music, good vibe, you know what I mean? It's like you're on home turf, right? Yeah, definitely. You know what I mean? Our place, so you don't know, a natural thing.
Those were some highlights from the Grace Jamaican Jerk Festival. Wonderful event. Please keep the support coming. And next year, make sure you make it out if you weren't there this year. Now we're going to go for a short commercial break. When we get back, Jesse Royal drops some new music and Marlon Samuels have a new music video. So stay tuned. Pree Dis will be right back.
We a top man, we take charge. Magnum we drink and we a shell down bars. Blast like a star with some Gyallis. Overdo it, we take it too far. Take charge, take charge.
We a hot gal, we set the trend. Magnum we drink for the top man them. Wine with the style, no stop from spend. Hot blend, back bend, and take charge, take charge. Ready for the video, we a prime time. Anywhere you see we go, we a headline. We back, we talk with the own waistline. Cut the cock, now we ready for the wine. Take charge, take charge.
You know how good we Magnum buckle. Slide and a glide and a bust big tackle. Big sound a rise and the whole place rockle. Now we turn up in a start. Take charge, take charge. Overdo it, we take it too far.
Wine with the style. Wine with the style.
Magnum tonic wine for the real star them.